Okay, Paulo, your life's a movie. This is a little bit about my alter ego, Paulo, which is, there's very little of me on the internet as my real name, Paulo Callahan, but you can get a review of Dogma that I did for the Orlando Weekly. But generally, my persona is Paulo, which is my radio persona for over 20 years. Did TV as well. So the main issue is who is Paulo and who is the other guy. It doesn't really matter. I have an opinion like everybody else, and it's just one opinion. Hopefully, it's an educated opinion. So we'll get more into Paulo in the future, but as I say, these things are all going to be short and sweet. So right now, Paulo, for most of you, will have to be a man of mystery. This Paulo, your life's a movie.